Bonjour les amis, let's make some sourdough discard chocolate chip scones. To a large bowl, add your flour, vas-y, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good mix. Add your cold grated butter and cut the butter into the flour. Add your sourdough discard, vanilla essence, and mix again. Add the chocolate chips mid-mixing. Use your hands to make it into a dough. If it's too dry, add a bit more discard. If it's too runny, then add a bit more flour. Okay. Put your dough onto a floured surface and with your hands pat it into a rectangle. It needs to be quite thick. Use a round cookie cutter and start cutting your shapes, reforming the dough every time you run out. Place on a baking tray and brush the top with milk. And bake.
Et voilà, bon appétit les amis.